Mark Cuban says the next big job is customizing AI for small businesses, saving hours and thousands in costs. But how do USA SMB owners actually do it without tech expertise? If you're missing this, your competitors win in 2026. Let's unlock it step by step. Welcome to Metacore Innovations, data-backed AI strategies for SMB growth. Today, Cuban's advice decoded with real tools and ROI, sourced from his 2025 interview and Gartner trends. Subscribe for weekly edges. Cuban nails it. Most SMBs want AI but don't know implementation. Off-the-shelf tools like ChatGPT work, but customization boosts efficiency 30 to 50%. For a bakery, tailor AI for inventory forecasts. ROI: cut waste by 20%, save $5,000 per year. Data: Gartner reports 70% SMB adoption by 2026, but only customized ones see real gains. Risk: generic AI leads to errors, like biased recommendations costing sales. Start simple. Tool 1. OpenAI's GPT fine-tuning, $10 per month base. Upload your business data, e.g. sales logs, to train a model for custom queries. Example: a law firm customized for contract reviews, slashing review time 40%. Hack: use no-code platforms like Zapier to integrate. Tool 2. Google's Gemini Custom, $20 Pro. Fine-tune on multimodal data, text/images, for retail. Predict trends from photos. Case: boutique saved $3,000 on stock via forecasts. Tool 3. Hugging Face, free tier. Open source models for advanced tweaks. SMB win. E-com sites customized for personalized marketing, upping conversions 25%. Your action plan. Step 1. Identify pain points, e.g. ops, marketing. Step 2. Gather data, 100 to 500 samples, anonymized. Step 3. Choose tool and fine-tune. Tutorials on OpenAI site, 1 to 2 hours. Step 4. Test ROI. Track time savings via dashboards like Google Analytics. Budget: 50 to 200 startup. ROI in 1 to 2 months. 2026 tip: focus on ethical data use to avoid Reggie's fines. Cuban Pro: walk-in showing benefits. Turn this into your side hustle. Custom AI isn't futuristic, it's your 2026 advantage. Follow Cuban's lead and transform your SMB. Which tool will you try? Drop in comments. Subscribe, hit bell for more SMB AI hacks. Grow with Metacore.